Hey guys, a very good morning to all my crypto peculiars. So, have you all been curious about what's happening in the market? Don't you worry, the CoinMonks got you covered. Okay, so before starting with the updates, let's quickly quote today's headlines. Cryptocurrency ads banned due to red alert focus on consumer awareness. Binance partners with Indonesia's largest telecom and prepares to launch a new exchange. Gravity Bridge brings Ethereum to the multi-chain. Look, who's back with a bang? The 2030 Floki, top meme coin as per 16th December. So let's start up with our refresh feed. Firstly, this one itself is breaking news. By the way, I think it's definitely going to impact the future of the market. So apparently, due to a red alert focus on consumer knowledge of the complex and volatile items, cryptocurrency advertisements have been banned. Monitoring crypto assets such as Bitcoin has been named a red alert priority by the Advertising Standards Authority. Advertisements from trading platforms eToro and Coinburp and advertisements for cryptocurrency exchange firms Payward, Exmo Exchange, Luno Money, and Coinbase Europe have been banned for irresponsibly exploiting consumers' inexperience and failing to illustrate the risk of the investment. Following concerns that many advertisements fail to convey the risks of inventing entirely, the Advertising Standards Authority has declared that monitoring crypto assets such as Bitcoin is a red alert priority. A pizza chain's promotion and Facebook ads for a large cryptocurrency exchange were among the prohibited ads. The Advertising Standards Authority stated that using pizza to promote a cryptocurrency account encouraged consumers to engage in a high risk investment without due consideration and trivialized a severe and potentially costly financial decision, especially given the intended audience's likely lack of cryptocurrency knowledge. The ASA stated that the seven bans were imposed due to proactive monitoring of crypto asset ads and part of a larger project that will eventually shape specific guidance around advertising these products in 2022. The ASA also stated that it would continue to review crypto asset advertisements in the coming months for cryptocurrencies and NFTs and fan tokens, contributing to future enforcement and guidance for advertisers. ASA Director of Complaints and Investigations Miles Lockwood said that crypto assets are a red alert priority issue for us, so we're conducting proactive monitoring and interventions where we find issues. Our rulings published today and over the next few weeks will shape follow-up enforcement work in the new year to bring all crypto asset ads into line with our expectations and will form the basis of updated guidance. Consumers need to know about the risks of investing in crypto assets, and companies should make sure that their ads aren't misleading or socially irresponsible by taking advantage of consumers' lack of awareness around these complex and volatile products. We won't hesitate to take action against ads that break our rules. We encourage anyone with any concerns about ads they've seen to get in touch. Well, this was quite an update. Anyways, let's move ahead with some positive news, I guess. What is it? Yeah. Indonesia's blockchain ecosystem is likely to grow thanks to the world's largest Bitcoin exchange by trading volume. Binance has announced a partnership with Consortium led by MTI Ventures, an investment arm of Telkom Indonesia, to build a new cryptocurrency exchange in the world's fourth most populated country. Let's have a look at what's getting cooked. MTI Ventures is Indonesia's largest technology investment business with a global portfolio worth more than $830 million with investments in a variety of industries. Binance is a company that provides asset management infrastructure. Changpeng Zhao, the founder and CEO of Binance, stated, "At Binance, our goal is to build the blockchain and cryptocurrency ecosystem throughout the world. And our project in Indonesia is a big step in that regard. Binance will use asset management infrastructure and technology to assist the development of the new crypto trading platform," according to the release. He continued, "With its rapid technological adoption and high economic potential, Indonesia has the potential to become one of Southeast Asia's main centers for the blockchain and crypto ecosystem." Binance's larger aim to grow the global blockchain ecosystem includes the launch of the new exchange. The launch of the corporation comes on the heels of Binance's recent announcement of its $100 million Objective Moon effort to assist the growth of the French and European blockchain and cryptocurrency ecosystems. Anyways, moving ahead with our next coverage, a fully linked interchain has long been a common ambition of an open and interoperable bridge between Ethereum and Cosmos, stated Althea CEO Deborah Simpia. The Interchain Foundation, a Swiss non-profit stewarding the Cosmos ecosystem, announced the debut of Gravity Bridge, a decentralized internet service provider created by Althea, on Wednesday. Gravity Bridge allows ERC20 tokens to be transferred between the Ethereum and Cosmos blockchains. Gravity Bridge will run as a standalone chain for the first few months before transferring to Cosmos Hub early next year. Interchangeable token issuance across both chains and Ethereum support for Cosmos oracles are two key technological characteristics. The following is a statement from Simpier on the launch. Gravity Bridge is a core piece of infrastructure in an interoperable ecosystem open to all Cosmos chains, purpose-built to update and evolve fast and assess the bridge needs of the chains that interact with it. Liquidity is made available to everybody through open markets and frictionless trade. This is the future that sustains the atom value and ecosystem for the Internet of Blockchains and uplifts everybody in the Cosmos network. The Inter-Blockchain Transmission or IBC protocol, which allows for the communication and transfer of digital assets between multiple blockchains, was deployed on the Cosmos network in March. Since then, more than 20 blockchains have supported IBC. In an interview with Cointelegraph, Peng Shong, CEO of Tendermint, the network's main creator, predicted that around 200 chains would be joined through Cosmos's IBC next year. The Interchain Foundation's Cosmos Hub lead, Billy Rennekamp, added, "The upgrading of the Stargate and the introduction of IBC market the beginning of interoperability. Now, the Gravity Bridge and our partnership with Interchain Security to assure bridge safety solidify Cosmos Hub as the foundation for the Internet of Blockchains." So wrapping up with our final segment, the 2030 Floki Inno is back with being the top meme coin again this week. It is an AI based token, guys. Let's dive into this one. Today's live 2030 Floki price is 2.58 $7 USD with $119,542 USD in 24-hour trading volume. Our 2030 Floki to USD pricing is updated according to 6 a.m. IST today. In the previous 24 hours, 2030 Floki has surged by 449.15%. With the live market cap available, the current coin market cap ranking is 4236. A circulating supply of 1,000 trillion 2030 Floki coins supply is available and a maximum supply of 1,000 trillion 2030 Floki coins. BSC's 2030 Floki coin is a clever AI rebase and incentive token. The token's AI performs a series of calculations, determines the fairest price, and passively rewards holders with Doge. The supply of a project with a rebase token is flexible and will change automatically on a regular basis. Because of the increased purchasing pressure, smart rebates make more tokens more marketable and profitable. 2030 Floki combines with meme hype with actual utilities to offer holders with passive income in the form of Doge rewards. Many digital markets, platforms, and routes for commerce are required in the future, and Floki intends to be at the forefront of this. 2030 Floki intends to continue operating until 2030 and beyond with the goal of improving the functionality of its code and expanding its community. So we will now wind up with the assessment for today morning and meet y'all in the evening with even more interesting stuff. Until then, you may consider joining our Telegram channel for free crypto signals, visit our blog linked below for guides, reviews, and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel and get daily updates about the crypto market. Lastly, with this little favor of CoinMonks, we hope you stay updated. Thanks for watching and have a nice day ahead.